Hi, this is a short demonstration how to install SmartPLS on your Windows desktop. Go to google.com and type in SmartPLS and click on the first link. It will be a SmartPLS website link, and then up top you will have a link. It will say download, and you might have another link pop up that will ask you to accept all the cookies. Then accept all the cookies, then click on the download button. Once you're on the next page, click on Windows 64-bit download setup. It will initiate the download setup for your Windows. It will take about 30 or 40 seconds for the setup to be completed. My internet is a bit fast, so it's almost done. Once the setup is downloaded, I'll guide you through how to install the latest version of SmartPLS. So my setup is almost complete. Click on the open file. It will initiate this process to install the setup. Once this process is complete, it will give you another prompt. This says that you want to allow this app to make changes in your device, which means I want to run the setup. So click on the yes, and then in the next window will pop up. Click next, then leave it as it is as default, and click the next button. Now it is installing the setup. Once the setup is complete, it will now prompt you to run SmartPLS and create a desktop icon. Leave them as it is and click on finish. Then it will run the SmartPLS version 4. Now it is asking you whether you want the student version, which is a free version, and you can only use a sample of 100, which we don't need. Then we have a professional version for which you have to pay, which is extremely costly. Then the third one is free 30 days trial. Click on that one. And now it is asking you to enter your email ID, which is mandatory. So you use your Gmail ID. If you have already installed a SmartPLS in your desktop, it will not allow you to install it again. So if you're installing it for the first time, use your email ID. I have exhausted all my email addresses, so what I will do, I'll use a temporary email address. So to receive a token code, and once you have your email ID, copy and paste the email ID in the email ID section, type in your name, and then if you want to agree, you can agree to receive further marketing emails. If you don't want to, don't click on it. Then press on submit button. Now refer to your email, and you will have email in your inbox, and it will have a token. Let me show you that's the token here, this weird number. Copy this and paste it over and click on submit. Now you have your SmartPLS available for you for 30 days. It says that's the license key. It's on my name, and it will expire on January 18, 2023. So that's it. Now stop using. That's the basic interface of SmartPLS, and you can use it for 30 days and for more than a sample of 100. Thank you very much.